Hello everybody and welcome to this video. And in this video I'm going to talk about two different things. The first thing is the compensation that you guys, the PC players, are going to get because WARFACE had very long downtime this week. And the second thing is the weapon tweaks. Some weapons are going to get buffed and we are going to talk about it a little bit later in this video. So recently WARFACE servers weren't working that well. You couldn't log into the game and you couldn't play. The issue wasn't in WARFACE, the issue was in the hosting company that was DDoSed. And in other words, some bad people spammed the hosting company with bots, with fake users, and their servers just couldn't handle the pressure and crashed. Luckily, this issue was solved and now you can all go and play WARFACE. But because of that time that you couldn't play WARFACE, the WARFACE team decided to give you guys a compensation. So the first thing you're going to get is Yakuza weapon set for 5 days. To redeem the 5 days of Yakuza weapons, make sure to go to the redeem a code section in the website and then write the code with capital letters "We are sorry". Please make sure to use this code before the 27th of August 2019, 23:59 UTC, or you won't be able to redeem the code anymore. Beside that, you will also enjoy increased server rewards for XP, VP, and WARFACE dollars. The rates are going to be increased by 50% until the end of August 23rd, and the rates are going to be increased by 100% from August 24th until August 26th, 9 AM UTC. So if you wanna gather some WARFACE dollars, XP, vendor points to open something in the vendors, this is the time to do so. In addition to that, all Armageddon Access users will get 100 battle points. As far as I know, all those points have already been delivered to your accounts. And now let's talk about the weapon tweaks. So as you know, we have a lot of weapons in WARFACE. Some of them are new, some of them are old, but some of them are forgotten and unplayable because they are very weak. So WARFACE team monitors every single weapon and they check for how much time and how many people actually use one or another weapon. When the stats are very low, they are doing the corresponding changes in order to create the gun more playable for the community. So the next update, we are going to have 17 different weapons that are going to get buffed. First off, we have the Desert Tech. It's going to have damage multiplier to arms increased and spread when aiming while jumping decreased. Then we have the VHS-2 that is going to get damage multiplier to arms increased, more comfortable recoil and sprayed when using the underbarrel grenade launcher decreased. Next off, we have the H-Car that is going to get easier recoil and damage multiplier to limbs increased. Don't forget, this is semi-automatic sniper rifle for the rifle class. Then we have the Saiga HGC that is going to get easier recoil and reduced spread. The Phanteks origin is going to have increased 10 units of damage and reduce the spread while aiming. Next off, we have the Saiga Spike that will have the rate of fire increased by 5 units. Then we will have reduced the spread while aiming, except during jumping and sliding. Then we move to a very similar weapon, the Merlin 1894, that will get reduced the spread while jumping and aiming at the same time. And now let's move to the SMGs. The Mini Uzi will get damage drop off over distance reduced, increased clip size to 35, it used to be 30, ammo increased to 210, and damage multiplier to the legs was increased. The SR2 SMG is going to have damage increased to 65, increased clip size to 32, ammo increased to 192, damage multiplier to limbs increased, and it's also going to have easier recoil. The MP5A5 Custom is going to have damage increased to 77 and damage multiplier to limbs increased. The Micro Ronnie is going to have increased rate of fire to 770 instead of 750 and decreased recoil when using a laser sight attachment. Next we have the SIG MPX engineer weapon that will have decreased recoil while aiming, and the sniper rifle Remington R11 that will have increased minimal damage. Then we have 4 different anti-cyborg weapons that are going to get buffed. So first off, let's start with the XM8 LMG. It's going to have 150 bullets in the clip and ammo increased to 750. Then we have the anti-cyborg PP19 Bison that is going to have increased clip size, 96 bullets there, and ammo increased to 480. After that we have the anti-cyborg Tower Star 21. As you know, it has 20 bullets, so after the next update it's going to have 30 and ammo increased to 180. And the last weapon that is going to get buffed is the anti-cyborg FN57. It's going to have increased clip size of 30 bullets. That's the highest amount of bullets for any semi-automatic pistol. I can't wait to play with all of those weapons in the special operations or in PvP, because they are going to get really good buffs, and I really hope more people are going to play with those. And now I want to know your opinion. What do you think about the compensation that WARFACE gave us for their servers not working for so long time? And also I want to ask you, what do you think about the weapon tweaks? Do you think they are good? Do you think those weapons are useless? Do you think they needed to buff them a bit more? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button. If you are new, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see ya guys on my next one. See ya and bye bye.